Hey. Kaswa men speech. Pacho. I want better hotel. Me here, flowers and kitchen and pizza. I mean, my home. Please, respect yourself and talk to me very carefully and honestly. Pay this step, right? Uni bibi. Pay the da. We more baby yako. I'll know Biancasa. I'll be now found with it. Because I say, Casway, I do my annual juma. Say, I want skills. I am a talent. I am a favorite. I am a hobby. I am a matter what you want, sir. I am a smelling with that. I am fun, I am hobby. You pay me, you pay me. It's your next woman that I made some young man, but you also went one and one was here. And you both, oh, it's just someone can't come so long. You both, my friends, swat, and young up.
necessary you are dear, and you unya Christian. You fit to Copodia. Send this one a cab, a cabby chairman who manager. If you are about Blau, and I will soon be one. Done it. Me, I met me up a boss walk or hammer on me afford you. But do you wait my wound? What dear, I do my wound. And to what you have a million of money. What's a castle? Who tired? You are done in what's my name? Go up on some. What's me? You pop on him for make sure say them you people what my podua me dey we for ka usi ya betutu me pes ade no kra oboboni media wo ya ma say me so wana say me modua me mo abo no pa so oboboni padua no say me so ba o me to be kan kwa uti uti man get koto uti mo bo uti ma bo me why ma wait uti ma bo me so ma wait me uti man get so enya ogba wo so ma enya ma hey, I don't oh, yes, I been Sasio. Oh, yes. Believe and see it. And you pay na we na dey odbecho. Nipa bia wo no me kura me no koba no wo me. What made him consult manager Sam ke yimadi an yiya enko yimadi. Ko wo ya mso beba. Wo ko pass ase to mo. Si boss quarters member menya ba bi di metiato. Ko ya ba